At Elite Automation, we design systems to be very modular, whether it be simple small systems or whether it's large scale, huge manufacturing lines that scale hundreds and hundreds of feet. Now, how are we able to do that? We're able to do that through this modular process and through creating systems and creating different stations and different work envelopes for the different equipment to live within. This gives us the ability to create all the programming, all the electrical engineering, and everything to be in a very systematic design that gives us the ability to have these modular systems. These modular systems also give the ability to grow into the future. So whenever you have these modular systems, you can add on to the modular systems over time. So maybe you start off with some smaller investment of a few $100,000, and then you're able to move into the second phase of a project without additional cost of PLCs and some of the other hardware that may have went into the initial cost of the system, and be able to expand to additional parts of the system without as much of a cost, and also just keeping the same infrastructure and the ease of deployment of that next phase of that system.